How to find notification settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now just click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then click settings and now click here notifications. And as you see here you will find the notification settings and you can manage it to anything you want, mobile push or notification stream. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, then see you in the next video.